For a big tomato like this, we're going to slice it in half to make it easier. First and foremost, we've got this kind of like base piece over here that's a little rough. You can slice that off. And we want to use a really sharp knife. If our knife isn't sharp enough to slice through the tomato easily without crushing it, you can always use a serrated knife, which is a really great option and works really well. We can quarter our tomato just taking the tip of our knife, kind of poking it in with a sawing motion. We can just pull that out. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can use a smaller knife, obviously. Cut our tomato in half, laying it flat on the board, starting at kind of that base where we sliced it. We just want to slice from back to front into nice thin slices, maybe a 1/4 of an inch thick. And again, if your knife isn't perfectly sharp and it's starting to crush the tomato, or you're having a hard time here, use a serrated knife. It works really, really, really well. Obviously, I've sliced a few tomatoes, and my knife is nice and sharp, which is awesome.